Welcome to my declutter journey. We are taking on the challenge of clearing out 30 bags in 30 days. If you're like me and struggle with clutter, you are not alone. I want to normalize the idea that lacking organization and having too much stuff is a common struggle many of us face. These videos are not about shaming anyone for their clutter, but about encouraging and supporting each other on our decluttering journeys. Together, we will tackle our clutter one bag at a time, creating space for clarity, peace, and a home that truly reflects our values and priorities. I invite you to follow along, share your experiences, and join me in this transformative decluttering adventure. Let's make room for what truly matters as we declutter our spaces and declutter our minds. You are looking at my empty closet. If you didn't watch the series, I built this closet. It's actually walls that I put up, and I needed a closet because the two of us have clothes and we just couldn't share the closet anymore. Let's be honest, I have more clothes than my husband, but I needed a closet, and that's about it. That's the size of it. So let's see how much I've decluttered and how much I can put back in here with just this season. But first, day 4, bag number 4, and I'm doing pants and accessories. Hey everyone, Sophia here, My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel and day 4, bag number 4 in my 30 bags in 30 days series. Right now I'm doing the closet. It's 7:39 p.m. I need to finish this so I can put everything back in the closet and have a decent room to sleep in tonight, because it's not fair to my husband to come to bed and have this big mess, okay? I am going to do pants and accessories. I'm not going to show the unmentionables or socks, it's boring, okay? But I have accessories like scarves. I'm going to go through the scarves and the pants, and then once I'm done with that, I'll put everything back in. Some of it's going to have to get folded, others will be hanging. Only have one rack, so we'll see how much I can do. But this is a good process, and this is something that is needed every year through every wardrobe, not just mine, who has a lot of nonsense, but also people who have beautiful walk-in closets with expensive things. Every year you need to go through your wardrobe. Maybe they no longer fit for valid reason. You've lost weight, and that's wonderful. Pass them along. Maybe they've torn, maybe they have a stain, or maybe you change your mind, and as I mentioned before, it's not your style anymore or not your vibe. I don't really have a particular style. I like to be comfortable. That's my style, comfy, okay? I have pajamas, I have scarves, I have a whole bunch of other things, okay? I'm trying to declutter. Things that need to go into the summer wardrobe will go over there. You already saw me bagging that. I have 2 bags. And things that I just can't pass along will have to get trashed. So fair warning, in this series there's going to be videos where the lighting is not great. It's because I'm filming after coming back from work. Clearly today is not the case, but I'm just saying, okay, I am looking at leggings, which you know I love my leggings, all right? If they have paint or anything like this, they gotta go. This one's still good. I'm keeping it. This is the short one that I purchased. I literally never wore this thing, okay? I wore it maybe one time. This is the Nate. Okay, let's move on to here. Work pants. Definitely keeping these. I am keeping these. I am keeping these. I should have matching hangers, I know. This I don't fit in. They can go. I gotta verify because sometimes Scott and I mix pants. I don't know if it's his or mine. I think these are mine. Okay, so we're gonna keep those, but they are more like summer, so they're gonna go in the summer pile. Keeping these. Okay, so I literally have 4 dress pants. That's it for work. Light gray, brownish, blue, and a dark brown. No black pants. We're gonna have to buy black pants. You know what? Let me put those in the closet now. Let's not worry about the chaos in here, okay? It's only temporary. So 4 pair of pants. That's not a lot of pants. I've worn these jeans. I know the lighting is terrible. For so long. Loft. You know what? They're great for projects around the house. They're like a corduroy, whatever. I'm gonna keep those. So keep these. More leggings. These I keep. Now they have paint. They can go. That's trash. These. I love these. I can't wear them at work. But they are great weekend pants. And I think that's pretty much it for pants, except for the jeans I'm wearing. And then this pair of jeans and my cheetah jeans, which I also wear a lot. Alright, let me put those in the closet. Okay, scarves. That's a definite keep. Plus everybody loves this scarf. With the cats. Okay, one. This one is cheap and ugly. I mean, it's not ugly. It's just, it's a cheap polyester fake. Donate. Winter scarf. I should bring that downstairs. Keep. 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 I need to get a scarf tree, whatever you call it. This one, terrible. Cheap, 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 cheap. Not good. Donate. Okay, this one was made for me and it's gonna go downstairs because it's winter. Love this one. Oh, love this, but it's so tiny. Donate. This is one of my all-time favorites. This is winter. I'm gonna bring it downstairs. love scarves. Hey, you remember when I said ditch it when you don't fit in it? Okay, I have this pair of pants that I bought on Amazon. Do you see the pattern on it? Okay, I love those pants. I have to be honest, they're a little snug. They're a little snug. I can fit, but I'm kind of like bulging, all right? Muffin top, they call it. Okay, so I went on Amazon and tried to see if I could find them again, and sure enough, can't find them. So even though I said ditch it when you don't fit, because I'm on a, you know, like everybody else, beginning of the year, I'm on a health kick again. I'm gonna try to see if I can fit in them again because I really love those pants. They're my only black pants. But I'm still gonna buy another pair of black pants because I don't have black pants and I need to have some. And clearly they're not it yet. Story of my life. So I just went through all of my socks. These are the ones that I'm keeping. I had a lot of little summer socks like this that went over there. But right now I'm dealing with orphans. Lots of orphan socks, and then Dickies, you know, fake collars. These are great for cardigans. Like this one. I don't know if you can see. It needs to be pressed, but I'm keeping those. Okay, and that's just about it. I'm about ready to put everything back in. All right, shall we? Let's do that. You know, sometimes you're gonna come back from work and you're only gonna have like a few minutes, right? And that's okay, as long as you get something done. So these are all the items that I'm putting in donation. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are not. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Should I count this one? Let's do 15. Okay, 15. Actually, I'm gonna donate these. They're brand new, literally brand new. They were supposed to be my size and they are way too big. So that's 16. Okay, now these I'm letting go of. Pair of socks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we got 16 going to donation and 9 going to the trash. 25 items today. Whew. Do you want to see the closet? Because I know some of you probably think there's no way she can fit all this stuff in the closet. Well, I can. I make it happen. And if I was putting all of this stuff somewhere else, I would have an extra shelf. So pajamas, leggings, 2 extra sweaters. These are all the long sleeve t-shirts or the turtlenecks. I moved the pants, jeans type here. These are extra sweaters that can be folded. Bras, underwear. These are all the spaghetti strap type thing under shirts. Here are all the socks. All my scarves are here. In the back are shoes. And then this is how I organized everything here. We got jackets, right? We have sweaters that can be hanging. They're usually the bat wings, poncho type. These are all my pants. These are all my work shirts, blouses. These are all my work cardigans. These are all my sleeveless type sweaters. And then all of this is casual. work from home and, you know, like just YouTube, whatever. Okay. So basically from here to here, this is work, including a few here and some of that. The rest is just at the house, working from home or whatnot. And I could put more, but I have everything in. All right. And at the bottom, I have a box with more shoes. They're like the boots. I have extra boots over there, my high heels and low heels in there. And that would be it. So I'm going to shut that and I am done. These are my 2 bags that are going to go in the back of the closet. They're my summer, spring stuff. This is going in the closet downstairs. It's basically all winter scarves. And I pretty much cleared out the whole space, except that I got to put that in the donate and then this in the bag of trash. Here's my big donate over here, and here's my trash. So that was day number 4, bag number 4. So altogether, I did 4 bags for my closet, and I was able to reorganize everything, and I let go of, I think, nearly 60, if not more, items. Not bad, not bad at all in just 4 bags. So you see, you can go through your closet and just make easy decisions with regards to what you wear, what you don't wear. You know what they say, right? You only wear 10% of your wardrobe. And it's pretty much true for most people. I do wear my stuff more often. And I think it's because I don't have a lot. I mean, it's all relative. Maybe I could do better with the long sleeve t-shirts, but I wear those at work underneath sweaters, and I also wear them at home and when I do projects. So I do tend to go through those quite a lot. The only sweater I'm missing is the white sweater that you saw me wear in my last Etsy video. It's downstairs drying on the drying rack. So that's the only sweater. That one will be folded and will go in there. So that was it for the wardrobe and day number 4, bag number 4. When I come back for bag number 5, I will probably do, we'll stay here. Let's do bedroom decor and the, what you call it? Nightstand. I'm kind of tired. It really was a lot, but that's only because I did it all at once in one day, understanding that I'm batch filming for YouTube. For you at home, you're doing it one day at a time, one bag at a time, and it's much easier that way. But I had created a big mess, and I didn't want to go to bed in a messy bedroom, nor should I impose this nonsense to Scott. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video and this series. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I post another video. Please go into the comment section. Let me know how you're doing. I'm encouraging you to do this alongside of me. I want to know how many items you let go of and how you feel about the process. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at mygreatchallenge. My Patreon channel for exclusive content not seen here on YouTube, patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. And you can also find me on Instagram for all things vintage, following me at Frenchy and Tubby for my Etsy shop. I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.